Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the new feature of Hotspot Network Manager. So this is the dashboard, and from here you can have an overview of all your network and hotspots. So you can see these widgets here on the top, and they are related to all your network and also to part of the hardware. So you have this hard drive, RAM, CPU, and the bandwidth used. Then we have this widget with charts and graphs. You can switch between this. This new map is a new feature where you can zoom and look for the information that you're looking for. So you can just click and open this menu in order to go straight to the point. On this bottom, it's quite similar to Google Analytics. We have this information related to always to all your network. We have a dashboard like this in any level. Later we will see this. But for the moment, we just focus on this. And here on the bottom, we have system logs and other filters that you can have here. So this is the dashboard. Of course, you can switch and choose between the specific period that you want to take into consideration. So you start from a date and you add another date, or you can export as PDF. So this is the dashboard. Here on the left, we have this sidebar that you can close and open, just up to you what you can do. And we have these three tabs with admin, data, and search. For the moment, we just focus on this admin. So on the general option, you can see that you have this company name and company data. These are the information of your company. You can choose the logo that you want to use. Language, we provide the system with 5 default languages, but you can add your custom language. So you can upload the flag and the translation. The main dashboard, the main template, sorry, of the system. Privacy policy and terms of service. Here in Europe, it's very important to have this new update in order to have this information, because here you can also have a revision of the privacy and terms of service. So the user need to accept this in order to proceed with the login. Here we have some custom CSS that you can use for the backend in order to change this. If you want to change this color to another color, you just choose the element with inspector and you write your own CSS rule here. You save and refresh, and you have your custom backend. Here on system settings, we have all this information. You can see that now all the information are grouped, so it's much more easy to find what you're looking for. And we have also these tabs, quite similar to all the browsers, in order to switch between different menus. On the system setting, you set up the IP address of the machine. You also set up the email service. So in order to send email from the system, you just use the SMTP server that you want to use. SMS gateway type, you choose if you want to send SMS. Maybe you can use HTTP request with the post request or get. So here you set up the SMS gateway. And also you schedule the database backup, because all the data are stored on the database. So with just this, once you schedule a backup, you're done. It's very easy. Currency and payment, this is another feature that we add. So now you are able to use different currency in the system, and of course different method of payment. You can use PayPal or Molly or Authorize.net or any other of this. External authentication also, it's a new tab that we add, because now it's not just social network, but of course you have this that you already know how to use it, but I mean, you just need to create the app on the social network developer website and then paste here the app ID and secret, or what are the information that you're looking for. But we also add this OAuth custom authentication protocol that helps you to link your custom social network. So just in case you want to use another social network that is not on the list, so maybe it's something different that we don't have here on the list, you can just add your custom OAuth authentication here. You can upload your icon or just the colors or whatever. Here we have also LEDAP authentication. This is used for companies. So if you want to let the user log with their Windows credential, you can use it with no problem. Just choose this and the user will be able to log with their credential. Here we have always the same features. These are much more technical, but I think we can skip this and go straight to documentation, because we are always working on the manual. So if you're looking for some information, just remember this administration manual. It's quite long, it's 300 pages, but all the information that you need are inside this manual. So we are working a lot in order to maintain this manual, and it really helps you. You can search for some keywords inside. It's just a PDF, so Just remember this. And finally, we have this new version update. So we are working always on the system, as you know, and here you can find all the latest fix and new version, new features that we add. And with just one click, you can upgrade the system to the latest version. Of course, you need to have a valid GUID in order to have this upgrade, but with just one click, the system will do a backup and update all the database table and files and whatever. So you're always safe that you are working on a new version without any bug. In another video, we will see the data structure, the search, and all the other. For the moment, this is just an overview of the dashboard and the main feature of the sidebar. Thank you.